How to control your message settings. Hello everyone, my name is Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how you can do this, follow the following steps. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then you can simply open the Instagram application on your device. After opening this application, you will see an interface like this. Go on your profile, which is on the down right side. On the top right side, you will see there are three vertical lines. When you tap on these three vertical lines, a new pop-up will come with many information there. And now you can just simply scroll down and down. And then you can just tap on messages and story replies option. And after tapping on the messages and story reply option, a new pop-up will come with message controls. Don't use who can see your online. This is for making you active or not. But to control who can send you messages, tap on message control. So if you want all your followers to message, then you can simply tap on your followers request, message request. If you don't want to get request as well, then you can just tap on don't receive any request. But I don't want to update the setting, so I will just set it to message request so that when anyone sends me a message, but even they don't follow me, then I will get that in my message request and I can simply ignore it or I can say it as well. Don't receive request. When you tap on don't receive request, the request will not be sent to anybody as well, and then you others will also not be able to send you message requests, so I will not disable this option as well. So yes, this is how you can control your messages on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.